Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to make Batana hair pomade. This is very good for the hair, and with the ingredients used for this pomade, it will help dandruff and grow the hair fast. To make this pomade, we will need Batana oil. This Batana oil is a very win-win oil that makes the hair grow and thicker. This is shea butter. Shea butter grows the hair and helps the hair look silker. And I'm going to use olive oil, and I'll be using jojoba oil. And next, I'll be using 10 grams of castor oil. This is 10 grams of beeswax, and I'll be also using peppermint oil, peppermint essential oil. Add all the ingredients inside the bowl. Make sure your bowl and your surface are clean. After then, put them in a double boiler. Then when it melts, allow it to cool down for a few seconds, and then add your essential oil. Pour inside the jar that you're going to use or the one you want to sell with. Leave it there to cool down. When it's really solidified, then you are good to go to apply it on your scalp. It's good for dandruff, it's good for psoriasis, scalp issue, and it grows the hair fast. Guys, if you like my video, share this video, subscribe to my channel to get more notification for new videos to come. Until I come your way next time, guys, see you soon. Bye.